So, a random thought on a random note, how motherhood changes you so much, and I feel in a better way because before pregnancy, right, I was very carefree. I would not care in the world what I'm drinking, what I'm eating. I would sleep anytime. I would say anything to anyone, not thinking about the repercussions that can happen. I would fight with my husband, I would fight with my family, with everyone. And suddenly, since I gave birth, even in pregnancy, I was a little, careful. But since I've given birth, since I've seen my daughter, I just care about everything in the world. I care about what I'm eating, I care about what I'm drinking, I care if I am happy or I'm content or not, because I feel if I'm not happy, I can't give happiness to my child. So I need to be happy. I don't fight with my husband anymore. Yeah, I get angry sometimes, and but he understands. But we don't have the fights we used to have before. I don't fight with my parents the way I used to. I don't fight outside with the outsiders, because what if in any case the person is little and they attack me or they say something to me that hurts me a lot or my family. So all these things actually matter, and this is such a beautiful feeling that you start caring about yourself. You start caring about your family and you start valuing what you are. Like, for me, my daughter is my entire world, and for her it's me. Like, I know that for her mother will be everything, right? Like, for us, our mom is everything to us. So I know that she will always look up to me, so I don't want to grow up, right? So I have been depressed, I have been anxious. I was on antidepressants for around 4 months. I've been on sleeping medication. I used to take medication for ADHD when I was in Hyderabad. So when I got pregnant, I used to get all these videos on Instagram. So I was thinking that I'll be getting like a lot of postpartum depression. It'll hit me like anything, right? Because that's what Instagram shows us most of the time. The negativity that comes on my page, women are not happy with the children, and maybe in many cases aisa hota hoga, and I have empathy for such people too, but it did not happen to me. Pata nahi kaise, which I thought कि बहुत ज़्यादा होगा, and I was worried about this my entire pregnancy, that postpartum depression will hit me like really bad. But it did not, and maybe thanks to my husband, because he was there all the time. He took care of me, he took care of my baby so much, and my parents were there. So if I'm feeling a little anxious, or if I am, I want time to myself, I'll give the baby to my parents. I'll take care of myself, I'll sleep, and my husband lets me sleep. Like, even if I am awake all night, he would take the baby and I would sleep all day, or he would take care of her at the night and I'll sleep in the day. So having loving people is so important when you're pregnant or when you've given birth postpartum. I can't tell you, it's the best feeling to have people who love you and who support you. I sympathize with the women who have given birth around the world and who don't have support, like जिनके पेरेंट्स नहीं हैं आसपास, या होते हुए भी they're not taking care of their child or the grandchildren, या जिनके इन-लॉज उनको सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं. टचवुड मेरे इन-लॉज भी काफ़ी सपोर्टिव है उस मामले में. जिनके इन-लॉज नहीं हैं अच्छे, जिनके पेरेंट्स उनको सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, एंड स्पेशली जिनके हस्बैंड्स उनको सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं. आई फील एट अ पॉइंट तुम्हें कोई सपोर्ट ना करे, ठीक है, but if your husband is supportive, if your husband loves you, if your husband is ready to be a father, right? And father is not just कि हाँ you've impregnated your wife and then you're having a child. No, father is a person who will take care of the baby and the mother like a god. So for me, my husband is God sent. He does every kind of chores at home. He'll clean the house, he'll clean the baby, he'll feed her, he'll give every kind of happiness to me and my child, and that's all that matters to me. Touch wood. I just want people to, start supporting their wives much, because it's such a complicated time for the wives after giving birth. It is very painful, be it normal delivery, be it C-section. It's a very, very painful journey, and it's little critical, time for your self-identity too, right? So just be there for your wife. Tell her how much she values, and tell her that nothing has changed. It's just a good start for a good journey, and nothing bad will ever happen. Like, just tell her that you are going to be there, and this is a beautiful journey you are going to start together. You have a beautiful child, right? So take care of the baby, and you'll be the happiest person on the planet. Having a baby is such a beautiful feeling. Having a wife, having a husband, it's not bad at all. It's just the way people say it. If you choose the right person, choosing the right person is the key to happiness. Just don't marry because people are getting married. Just don't marry because for the sake of getting married, or for the sake of having someone beside you. No. If you have the right person, get married. If you don't find the right person, it's fine. Stay single. Look out for the right person. Look out for yourself. If you value yourself, you will get the right person. If you don't value you, you'll end up with any random shit, and you'll feel, I'm happy, like I am done, like this is the kind of person that I deserve. But you don't deserve bad people. If you value yourself, if you love yourself, you'll only seek good people around you, and that's the best advice I feel I can give you. Value yourself, seek good people, and be a good person. If you're good, everybody else you want around you will be good, or you will just eliminate them. Because if I have eliminated so many people out of my life. I still talk to some people, like random people I don't like. They'll text me someday, and I'll reply to them with a nice message or something. That's it. That's their boundary. They don't come to my home, I don't go to their homes. They don't come near my baby, and I don't want them near my life, my baby, my husband, or anybody. So that's it. That's all the random thought I was getting today. So I thought I'll share it. Why not? And if nobody wants to, take it, it's fine. But it's my advice. At least I'll go back and look at it, right? So